Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is time for free game dev assets. Yes, every other week we're going to do a rundown of all of the free assets that are available. At times, along with when Epic Games releases their 3 freebies on Fab, but we've got more so than that. By the way, one of the ones you see right in front of you, this is one of 3 free assets available for Unreal Engine. But even if you are not an Unreal Engine user, pay attention. Always hoard these. Always, always, always. Because once again, here we are. This is the same asset in the Godot game engine. So like you see right here, can easily be exported out and used in other engines if that is what you want. So you want to pick these up regardless to if you're an Unreal Engine, a Unity user, a Godot user, whatever. In this particular case, I use the Unreal to Godot exporter, but there will be tons of guides down below showing you how to do that. We're going to get back to the Unreal Engine asset giveaway in just a second, but first let's look at the other stuff that is available. Now, what you're going to hear about quite often in this video, because their approach is awesome, is Bundle Foundry. They're a new kind of humble bundle alternative out there for game development bundles. So they've got some great stuff that's coming up. And what you see here, they just launched the Realistic Environment Bundle. Again, this one is for Unreal Engine. But what you'll notice is, and I love this fact, they have freebies. In this case, you can go get the bundle and you can pick up the Rooftop Asset Kit absolutely for free. On top of that, obviously, they have these 3 different tiers at different pricing levels for those tiers. And you get a number of, again, these are all aimed around real-world environments. So if you're trying to recreate the real world for your Unreal Engine game, or if you're willing to jump through some hoops and get these things out into other engines, you can do that as well. So these all redeem on the Fab Marketplace. But again, the key thing for this video is there is this free asset available right there. So each one of their bundles is going to come with a free asset, which will give you a showcase of what you're going to get from the rest of the bundle. I love that. So you're going to see them a lot in these free asset roundups because, hey, free assets. All right, so that's freebie number 1. Freebie number 2 is the weekly giveaway over on the Unity Asset Store. This is always a little bit late just because of the timing of these videos. They do this every week. In this case, it is Polyquest Treasures. You're only going to have a handful of days. This ends June the 4th, so you don't want to pick this one up before then. You use the code POLYBOX2026 at checkout. This vendor was going to have all of their stuff on sale, including some stuff very on sale. But what you're going to notice here is you can get this particular one, a treasures-oriented low poly set. Kind of okay, little mild in this particular case, but hey, free is free. But again, you only have until June 4th for that one, just because when the timing of when they give away these things and these videos don't really line up that great. Next up, we found this one. This is a number of stylized, procedural stylized materials textures. These are made using Substance Designer. They are basically export out, free of use on itch.io. 9 PBR materials, 4K textures, includes the diffuse, color, roughness, normal, height. Blender files as well, if you're using so. You do not get the Substance Designer files for free in the free version, but as you see here, a number of really cool metals basically ready to go. And if you're using Blender, basically you can get them right into Blender and go. They're textures, obviously, so you can use them however you want, in whichever way you want. But if you want the original source files, that is a paid thing, but a number of metals available there. That is on itch.io. Speaking of itch.io, we also have this one. Actually, 2, technically. It is the Pixel Planes Furniture Pack. So this is got a number of interiors for pixel art style games. You can see in action over here. We've got bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, offices, living room, and stores. So like shelves and so on, so you get an idea. This kind of stuff, all of these pixel art packs and so on. They also have, so this one's itch.io, and then we also have this one, the Pixel Planes Interior Pack. So a wide variety of wall options, auto tiling system if you're using tiled, etc. So this is complementary to the other pack. Between these two, you can do pixel art style interiors. Again, also hosted on itch.io. And then we have one that's a little bit different this week. This is a open source game for Defold. I love the Defold game engine. If you're looking for a way to go ahead and check it out, this is Kabocha. It is a whatever that is, Suka. I have no idea. It gives you something to make fun of me for. Basically, it's this style of packing game. He has released the source code for it. It is under the GPL v3 license. So if you've been looking for a Defold project to check out, well, that is now available as well. Nice to see there. And then, of course, we get back to the 3 giveaways on Fab. You have 2 weeks to pick these ones up, so that means you have until June the 16th, at which point we will hopefully get 3 more freebies, and then these ones will go away. But if you pick them up, they are yours to keep forever. Doesn't matter which license you pick, just pick which one, just pick whichever. It's Epic Games picking up the tab anyways. Then they should be showing as $0, add them to cart, checkout, and then they are part of your library. We'll come back to the page for the 3 of these in just a second, but again, hands-on. So here you can see, export it out to the Godot game engine. So even if you are not using Unreal Engine, buy these. Free is free, and you never know if you're going to switch to Unreal Engine later on, or like you see here, they work perfectly well in the Godot game engine once exported, and the guides for that are down below. So that is the first one right there. The other one is, this one is very much Unreal Engine only, because it is an inventory system, and it's kind of wonderful. Let's go ahead and load that one up. So this is the Advanced Grid Inventory System, and let's go ahead and check this one out. So let's play in editor. I don't know why I have compile errors in this particular case, but here you can see, so you got a variety of different things you can do here. So here we can see, let's go loot this guy over here, and you'll see drag and drop style loot if you're doing a survival style game, and it goes way beyond that. And again, we got simple equipable items. You'll see them immediately getting equipped there. But as I add those in, they should be part, so now they're in my backpack over here. Then we go over here, and you got customization systems, for example, here. So grab the magazine, ammo, silencer, and so on. And then you can actually now go, boom, and then you'll notice it's assembling it. So let's put the silencer on there as well. So I don't know if ammo goes in. No, it doesn't. But you can see here, customization of equipment. So usable that way. You've also got it for puzzles, environments, like see keypad, I pick it up here, interact with the environment, drag my keypad over to the keypad reader like so, and then the world opens up. Then we've also got various different survival elements. So create different interactions for your survival game. You can set input, output items easily in the editor. And then here you see the customization goes one step further in that we've got things like a car system here. So let me go ahead and pick up this siren. I'll go back over to my car, and you see now I've got a car over here. I'll drop my siren onto the car, like so, and then boom. And then on top of that, we've got a vendor-style system as well. If you've played any RPG or extraction shooter in the last decade, you have an idea how this works. So if I want to go ahead, I can sell items there, and then boom, I got cash back. A very useful plugin, and this one is the Advanced Grid Inventory System, as you saw in action right there. And then our final item here, this one is actually available for both Unity and Unreal Engine. And this is the Mega Survival Tools bundle. And again, this could easily be exported out over to Godot as well. Other than a buttload of fog, what you'll notice here is a ton of things. So shipping containers, a generator, we got a variety of paint cans and storage barrels and so on, a chimney, and then over here we got a couple more items. So lumber and things like that. Storage vats, and then finally we have a variety of things from fishing rods to pliers to scythes with hands to shovels and so on. So a low poly pack of tools and things to just basically populate your environment. And that, again, is available for both Unreal Engine and Unity. Over to the recap. So the first one here was we got the modular sci-fi station. Again, Unreal Engine only, but you saw earlier on, easily exported out. So do not let the game engine limit it by any means. Then we've got the Poly Mega Survival Tools. Also, by the way, this is probably the biggest gap I have ever seen between personal pricing and professional pricing. A literal 10x increase, which is, let me know if you've ever seen higher than that. Again, it doesn't matter here. It's Epic Games picking up the tab, but pretty simple. It's a collection of low poly tools. There's 200 plus tools in there. And then finally, we have that Advanced Grid Inventory System, full-blown thing for like adding interactions, different UIs, inventory customization, storefronts, etc. to your game. Pretty sweet. So a very rapid recap of our freebies. Over on the just launched Bundle Foundry, we have the freebie in the Unreal Engine Realistic Environment Bundle. And of course, that whole bundle is there as well. And if you do use my link, it does support me. Thank you so much for doing so. But if you're interested, get something completely free, super easy. And this is from ScansMatter, who makes good stuff. Then on top of that, we have the freebie over at the Unity Asset Store, the Polyquest Treasure. We have the Metals Material Pack, 9 different PBR materials there. We have the 2 pixel art packages here for interior environments, like you see here and here. And then we have the new Defold open source game. And then finally, the 3 assets from Fab. Same question as always. What do you think of this month's freebies for June, at least for the first half of June? Stay tuned. In 2 weeks, we will have another one of these Roundup videos. And if you find some free assets you think I should focus on this one, do let me know in the comments down below, and hopefully I can get them into the next freebie Roundup. And of course, if you're into all this game dev stuff, do hit like and subscribe, and you'll stay up to date. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.